How to fix JPEG files are not opening on your Windows 11 computer. So if you're trying to open up an image and you're getting some kind of error message, I'm going to show you how to fix this. So first thing you need to do is open up the Start menu, search for Settings and click on this window here. In the left hand side, click on Apps and click on Default Apps. You can then scroll down to the very bottom of this page and click on Choose Defaults by File Type. You'll then need to scroll down again until you see JPEG from this list. Now you can also use the search box and just go and search for JPG. You could then click on this option here, make sure Photos is selected and click on Set Default. Come back over to the search box and this time type in JPEG with an E and then do the same thing by clicking on this one and make sure this is set to Photos and click on Set Default. Now once you've done this, click back on Apps in the left hand side, click on Installed Apps. Using the search box, type in Photos and then click on these three horizontal dots and click on Advanced Options. You'll then need to scroll down to where it says Reset and click on Repair. Once that's finished, you'll need to click this Reset button and click on Reset. You can then close out of this window and you can try opening up your image and you can check to see if it solves the issue. Now, if it's still not working, the final solution is to open up the Start menu, search for PowerShell and right click on Windows PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator. You'll then need to go and enter the following command in this window and I'll leave this in the video description so you guys can come and copy and paste this. So we're just going to paste this in like so and go and press enter. You could then just wait a few minutes while this performs the installation. Once it's finished, you can go and restart your computer and that should have solved the issue where JPEG files are not opening. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.